Trucking accidents are different mainly because of the forces that are applied with the semi-truck. If it rear ends a passenger vehicle, even going 10 or 15 miles an hour, the force that it imparts on that vehicle and on the person inside of it is significantly greater than a regular car accident. If you've been in a trucking crash, look for a firm that has way more experience with trucking cases because they're more complicated, the laws are more specialized, the expert witnesses you need are really more complicated than your average personal injury case. We handle all types of trucking crash cases, from snowstorms in which trucks can't stop, to hours of service regulations in which a trucker has been on the road for too long, to negligent load sizes, any sort of institutional and driver negligence that has resulted in a semi-truck crash, we will handle that. The benefit of coming to us instead of another law firm for a trucking crash is that from the moment you call us, our experts will be on scene to investigate your vehicle, to track down the trucking company's vehicle, getting all the data from all those cars so that we can get it in the hands of our expert witnesses as soon as possible to start building our liability case on your behalf, and then really holding your hand through the whole process. If you've been in a trucking crash, don't delay at all. Call us here at Muth Law. We know how to handle your cases, and you'll be taken care of from the start till the very end.